Ah, springtime. Where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. I don't know, I'm gonna go. So, you spring cleaning? How about your computer? You wanna clean up your computer a little bit? My friends with XP and Vista, if you're one of the wonderful people that like to socialize through networking and Facebook, all that stuff, tag, my yearbook, all that wonderful stuff. Bet your computer's running slow as hell, isn't it? Well, come on, follow me through. I got a few tweaks for you that we're going to do real quick, whether you're running XP or Vista. If you run an XP or Vista, just right click anywhere on your screen, and with XP it'll say properties. Here it'll say, on Vista it'll say personalize. And what you want to do is change our display setting. Okay. On my highest res, even though I have a wide screen, and you can do this at any time, you can change this back and forth. If you want to watch a DVD, flip it up here and apply it. But what you want to do is set this to 1024 by 768. All right, I'm going to give you a little secret, little tip. Any guru or webmaster knows anything on the internet is not to be displayed anything bigger than 1024 by 768. You also notice too that the screen will be a lot clearer to read. It won't be real fine print. So just apply it and say OK. That's all we're going to do right there. Next, we're going to come down to our Start button. In your search bar on XP and Vista, I want you to type in REG, red, for register, edit, EDIT. Okay, and the program will come up in the lists. Just click on it, get it started, however you have to get it started. Oh, excuse me. All right, come down here to H key, local machine. Open up the tab. Come down to systems, hit the tab so it opens up. Come down to current control set, open it up, then to control. You might have to move your tree over a little bit, and you're coming down looking for content index. You don't have to open it, it's just catalogs and language packs. Just click on that. Now, this is alphabetical. We're looking for S's, so just scroll all the way at the bottom, come back up for startup delay. Okay, right click on it, left click, right click. You need to get to the menu, so you right click on it. Modify. We need to read it in decimal. Okay, now it's usually set around from out of the box to 480,000. We're going to take that down a few notches. So what you want to do, you can either just highlight it and get rid of it all. You need to just make it 40,000. 40,000. Okay, and then OK. And it should show up all right here. I'll just exit out the registry editor and go to my website. Next thing to do, we need a couple programs now. www.infonetspace.com. Click on the links. And you know what? Do check out some of these here. Actually, when you're at my homepage, the Flash might take a little bit of time to load if you've never been here before. But when you get there, if you want to check it out, it'll explain why I'm giving away all that software. But that's not what I'm talking about here. So let's go back to the links. So you can check out these downloads here. Enjoy them on your own time. Okay, you want to come and get the clean theme. And you download it here. Then when you download that, you also want to come back and you want to get the Gary's utilities. Get the freeware version here and download. And once you get these two programs downloaded and installed on your computer, okay, you'll have the icons on your desktop. There's Gary's Utilities and Clean Theme. So first let's open up Clean Theme, double click. There's the README, standard README file. You might want to check that out. The installed folder, you can see what everything is. It's just basically Windows Media and the themes themselves that create the versions that I've put together. And a link back to my site. So if you're using Vista or XP, just click on your preference, your system. Apply it. That's just going to take a minute. Oh, wow. That's fast. Okay. See, like I've always keeps it pretty much tweaked myself. Okay, so here you go. That's clean theme. Look what it's done. It's completely taken Windows back down to bare bones. Almost. I didn't go to quite to the classical view. Okay, I still want to utilize XP and Vista's programming and start menus and all that stuff. It's all fun stuff. But what you really want to do now is know that your memory that you do have, whether you have a lot of memory or not, is going to all be able to be used with your programming up front. In other words, you can surf more. Your games are going to be a little faster. You can have a little bit more fun watching videos that don't lag all the time. So there you have it. So, oh, and I've actually, and this is so easy to do, you can put any picture you want. And you know how to do that, how to change your desktop background to any picture you want. I'm just going down through it real quick. Just change it to that. Something different. Okay, so there you have it. Next thing, Gary's Utilities. Okay, you have to, you've downloaded and installed it. Come to click Maintenance, make sure everything's checked, and hit Scan for issues. Once it's done scanning, this will turn into the Fix Your Issues. Click that, exit, and you're done. Reboot your computer. Okay, don't just warm start it. Don't just reset it. Actually, come over here and shut it down. Turn it off, and when it all comes back up, I guarantee your system will be flying. You'll be having a blast. Don't let it scare you. Your computer will talk to you sometimes.
Transfer complete.
So, you know, I like a little Tony G I had to put in there on a twist. But, you know, whether you know how to edit these things or not yourself, cool. If you don't, cool too. Just watch the video a couple times. Do the little tweaks that we just did. It's only 4, and I guarantee you'll be happy. And have a nice spring. See you later.